Welcome to Distributed Hash Tables Explained. In this series, we'll explore how decentralized systems locate data across peers without needing a central server. Distributed hash tables, or DHTs, are the backbone of peer-to-peer networks like BitTorrent, enabling millions of users to share files and discover content without relying on any single authority. Let's understand the problem that DHTs solve. Traditional centralized systems rely on a single server to store and retrieve data. This creates a bottleneck. If the server is overloaded, your requests slow down. It's also vulnerable to censorship and failures. If the server goes down, the entire system fails. Distributed hash tables solve these problems by spreading data across many peers. There's no central authority, no single point of failure, and the system scales globally as more participants join. A distributed hash table is a data structure that maps keys to values across a network of peers. Think of it like a phone book spread across thousands of computers instead of stored in one place. The system uses a hash function to determine which peer should store each key value pair. A hash function is simply a mathematical function that converts any input into a fixed size number. The three key components are: first, a hash function that maps data to peer addresses. Second, a peer network consisting of distributed nodes storing data. And third, a routing protocol that efficiently locates which peer holds the data you need. Distributed hash tables support three fundamental operations. First, PUT. To store a key value pair, you hash the key to find which peer should store it, then send the data to that peer. Second, GET. To retrieve a value, you hash the key to find the responsible peer, route to it, and get the data back. Third, delete. To remove a key value pair, you hash the key, find the peer, and remove the data. These three operations are the foundation of how DHTs work. Every lookup, every storage operation, follows this hash and route pattern. Here's a critical problem. When you use simple hashing with the formula hash of key modulo number of peers, adding or removing peers breaks everything. When a peer joins or leaves, almost all keys need to be rehashed and moved to different peers. This causes massive data movement, making the system inefficient. Consistent hashing solves this elegantly. Instead of mapping keys to peers directly, both peers and keys are mapped to positions on a virtual ring. The ring typically spans from 0 to 2 to the power of 160 using SHA-1 hashing. When a new peer joins, only nearby keys migrate to it, not all keys. This minimizes data movement and makes the system efficient at scale. Let's walk through how a lookup happens step by step. First, you hash the key using the same hash function. This gives you a position on the ring. Second, you find the responsible peer by traversing the ring clockwise from that position until you find the first peer. Third, you contact that peer through the network and it performs the operation or returns the value. The entire process is automated and happens transparently. Your client knows how to compute the hash and how to route to the right peer without needing instructions from a central authority. Distributed hash tables provide four essential properties. Efficiency. Lookups complete in logarithmic hops across the network, meaning it takes log of n routing steps, making it very fast even with millions of peers. Scalability. The system grows without needing centralized coordination. New peers can join and leave dynamically, and the network automatically rebalances itself. Resilience. If nodes fail, the system continues working because data is replicated across multiple peers and there are redundant routing paths. Decentralization. There is no single point of control or failure. The network is censorship-resistant because no entity can shut it down. These properties make DHTs perfect for building robust peer-to-peer systems. BitTorrent is a real-world application that uses DHTs extensively. When you download a torrent file, your client needs to find peers that have the file you want to download. Instead of querying a central tracker server, BitTorrent uses a DHT. Your client queries the DHT with the info hash of the torrent, which is a unique identifier for that torrent. The DHT returns a list of peer addresses that have that file. You then connect to those peers and download pieces from them. This enables completely decentralized file sharing. Millions of people can share files without any central server, making BitTorrent resilient and impossible to shut down through server censorship. DHTs face real-world challenges. First, security and Sybil attacks. Malicious peers can join the network and return false data. Solutions include reputation systems, verifying signatures on data, and performing redundant lookups to ensure correctness. Second, data persistence. Peers go offline frequently, risking data loss for keys they store. Solutions include replicating data to multiple peers and having peers periodically republish their data to refresh it. Third, churn or high peer turnover. The constant joining and leaving of peers causes network reorganization overhead. Solutions include using virtual nodes to represent multiple peers, optimizing rebalancing algorithms, and prioritizing stable peers in the network. These solutions make DHTs practical for real deployments. Let's summarize the key takeaways. First, distributed hash tables enable decentralized peer-to-peer systems without central servers or coordinators. Any peer can participate equally in the network. Second, consistent hashing ensures efficient lookup and minimal data movement when peers join or leave the network. Third, real-world implementations like BitTorrent use DHTs for decentralized peer discovery at massive scale, enabling millions of users to share files globally. Fourth, practical DHT deployments require careful trade-offs between performance, security, and resilience. Understanding these trade-offs is crucial for building robust distributed systems. DHTs are a foundational technology that powers much of the decentralized internet today.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.